Hi, I'm Billy, and this is Knox Machining. Welcome to the shop. Hey everyone, welcome back. Well, today we have a channel update, a new tool donation, stickers from a fellow YouTuber, and some tool purchases. This will be mashup number 3, so let's take a look and see what we have. So let's start with a channel update. First, I'd like to say that I love doing these videos for you guys, but I'm lucky if I can get maybe 1 or 2 of these videos out a month. I'd like to do more, 1 a week, but with my work schedule and working at the makerspace, it's just not practical. With that being said, I do have lots of exciting projects coming up, one of which is a joint project with Mark from Winky's Workshop. A couple weeks ago, he put out a video about converting his wood lathe to CNC, and I'm working on the CNC controller for him. Hope to have that done here in the next week or 2 and shipped out to him, and I do have a video for that as well, so keep an eye out for that. I have lots of other exciting projects coming down the pike, so if you wouldn't mind subscribing, clicking the like button, and be sure to ring the bell. Okay, so up next we have a tool donation. This donation was made to Knox Makers, my channel. So let's open this up and see what we have. It's from Kurt, and it's a DX6 crossover vise. Oh, it's in the foam stuff. All right, guys. Oh, that wasn't too bad. I've had some of those that are just real pain to get out of the box. All right, let me finish taking this out of the box, and I'll bring y'all right back. Okay, so we're back. Here is the Kurt DX6 crossover, donated by Kurt. Shout out to them, thank you. It's a beautiful vise. Let's take a look here and see. The opening is 9 inches. Of course, it's a DX6, so it's got a 6-inch jaw. Our existing vise has an opening of around slightly under 6 inches, so that's a gain of 3 inches, which is really cool. Overall length is 16 and 3/4 inches. The existing vise was around 16 inches, so not much length change there. The vise handle is the classic Kurt style. Our existing speed handle will work on it, so that's a good thing. Additionally, a lot of y'all don't know this, or maybe you do, I don't know. Harold with Amateur Redneck Workshop did not know it, but the Kurt DX6 comes with a little vise stop that works in this little milled slot. Some viewers pointed it out to him the other day in one of his videos. I'm going to do the same and point it out to you guys. So there it is. You just got a little screw in there that you tighten it up, and it's kind of a neat little setup. It's got a little wedge there. As you tighten it up, it expands. Seems to work pretty good. I'll just install it right back where it goes. Now, Kurt did send a scratch and dent model. To be honest, the only thing I can see on it that's quote scratch or dented would be down here next to the hold down locations. The paint is flaked off a little bit on these corners right there and here. Other than that, it looks really good shape. It also comes with this spring steel cover. It slides in to protect the screw from swarf, and it's got these plugs that you can pull out, and you can bolt it straight down to the milling table or to a fixture plate if you're running a CNC machine or some other type of setup. So that's really cool. I think I'm going to like it, and I'm pretty sure the makers here at the Knox Makers will enjoy it too. Once again, thank you, Kurt. So up next we have a sticker that's came in from a fellow YouTuber. Let's take a look and see who sent it. We got a note there, I'll read that later. Looks like it's Everett from Everett's Workshop. I got acquainted with Everett with Harold's Amateur Redneck Workshop Sunday live talk sessions. Me and him exchanged stickers. He recently moved and he's still putting out content. Most of the content he's putting out right this minute is stuff that he recorded months and months ago. He's trying to get his workshop back together, and I'm sure once he gets his gets everything put back together, he'll have some videos with some viewer mail, including some stickers I sent him. I'll put this up on the sticker board here in just a few minutes. Thank you, Everett. Okay, so this is my sticker board. Because we use this whiteboard for teaching and other things, I decided to put it on a separate piece of whiteboard here that I can pull off and whatnot. So right now I just got a magnet holding it up. Stickers you see up there are the ones that I showed you all in Mashup number 2. So let's put Everett on the board. Where do you think we ought to put him? Let's see. Put him under Ray's garage. Yeah, I like that. Let's stick him there. There you are, Everett. You have the benefit of being the first person to have his sticker put on the board in a video for Knox Machining. Looks good. So up next we have some tool purchases, and the first one I'd like to show you is this rechargeable LED eyeglass magnifier. I believe Chuck with Outside Screwball did a review on one of these products a while back. Difference was his used double or AAA batteries, whereas this one's rechargeable. It's got a lithium ion in it. But like his, it's got the interchangeable lenses in the 1X, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3.5 power. Let's open it up and take a look. Got some instructions, lint cloth for wiping down the lenses, the main unit, recharging cable, headband, and the lenses. These units are identical to his. Like I said, the difference was this one's rechargeable and his was not. And then just take the lens out and you can snap it in here. And you can put it on like a pair of glasses. All right. It's got 2 power settings for the LED. And it works really well. I like it. Like I said, it comes with a headband that's interchangeable, so you can put that on there if you want, or you can wear it like glasses. It does come with a charging cable. This is a USB micro, not USB-C and not USB mini, so be aware of that. But they do provide one, so that's nice. I bought 2 of these, one for here and one for the home. Picked them up off Amazon for $13.99. I believe Chuck got his off of Banggood. I don't remember what he paid. But I looked around and this was the least expensive one I could find. There's multiple sellers, but they're all identical. But this one was $13.99 on Amazon. I'll put a link to the particular seller down in the description. So next up is something I purchased for the Grizzly Geo 704 CNC mill. It is an automatic oiler. It's set up so that you can specify the cycle and the duration of the oil being pumped up to the machine. I contacted a company in China. They had an AliExpress account, but I chose to deal with them direct versus going through AliExpress because they didn't have everything listed on the in the shopping cart that I wanted. So I sent them several emails back and forth over the course of about 2 weeks, making sure the order was correct. Had them install a check valve on the pump right here, and that feeds up to this distribution manifold. It has these little needle valves so that you can regulate the flow of the oil going to the different parts. This one will be mounted on the XY saddle of the machine. It too has a check valve because it will feed up to this 3-port manifold that will be mounted on the Z-axis. Like the 6-port, it too has metering capabilities. I picked up these little fittings, some 90-degree connectors. I believe most people call these banjos. I picked up some of those to be used. They're really nice and compact. And I picked up some straight fittings as well. These are compression fittings, and as such you'll need these ferrules so that you can, when you put the tubing in there, you can lock it down correctly. Optionally, you can also install these little brass inserts into the tubing to keep from crushing it when you torque it down. Got my tubing, and here is some spring wire that goes over the tubing to protect it and keep it from being abraded while it's the machine is moving back and forth. All in all, this cost about $186, landed to my door. Half of that was shipping, so I wanted to make triply sure that they had everything. They sent everything that I needed to complete this job because I didn't want to have to pick up something else. This is a 110 volt 4-liter pump, and they were really nice to work with. Were responsive on my emails, and I think this is going to be a really nice addition to the CNC machine, and I hope to get it installed really soon. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and ring the bell.